Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas, the Investor Channel. A lot to do this week. We've got the CPI tomorrow, and that could flip the markets. We could have reached a bottom. Tomorrow, we'll see what happens. The chances are that the CPI rate, Consumer Price Index, will come down, but will it come down enough to stir the markets? Let's get straight into our trades and investments this morning. We are trading live every day for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real, genuine, my real trades, my real positions. We've gone from $5,000 up to just touching 38,500 live on the show. We have traders, investors join us every day live on the show, sharing you their real shares, real trades, all their money. Live, you can call into the show, you can be part of it. We have cash giveaways, and there we go. Let's go through our entire portfolio this morning. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. Let me know you are here. There you go. Subscribe and ring the bell, and give me a thumbs up. Let's see if we can get up to 30 likes before the bell goes. Over there on TikTok, how are you all this morning on TikTok? Lovely to have you with me. We're live on YouTube every day. youtube.com/at Martyn Lucas Investor, the same name as this channel here. Martyn Lucas Investor is what I am on YouTube. That's where you need to be if you want to be in the cash prize draw. We have free cash giveaways every week. We're here to help you. We support people. This is my real trades, my real money. And let's go through my entire portfolio. If you're on TikTok, most people are just scrolling through, but on YouTube we have our serious traders and investors. So if you want to be part of it, it's free to enter. It's free to be in my draws, my cash giveaways. Bill is here, Luca Badge owner. If you click the star, can you see the little star at the top there? It'll come up. There it is. There it is. I've got 9 subscribers. If you become a subscriber to my channel, it's the same as being a member on my YouTube channel. I will promote you, and what I will do at the end of today's show, I will put your video, your channel on my TV screen behind me, and I will do a commercial to promote your channel. I will record a video to my 26.9 thousand followers and invite them to follow you, and I'll put that video on the homepage of my channel, and everybody will see it, and it will get you more followers and subscribers. I do it for all of my subscribers on TikTok. Also, I do exclusive content as well, which just benefits you, and I answer all your questions on my portfolio as well. Also make videos for you on the stocks that you want to look at. I do that for all my subscribers. Hit the subscribe button, the little star just there. All right, let's get back to it. I'm glad Ali Tisro's here this morning. We all want to talk to Ali Tisro. Mike is over on Twitch. There you go. If you keep Twitch alive, then you are in the cash prize draw every first Friday of the month on that one. Bitcoin is taking a beating. Yeah, we know. Bitcoin crashed. I've said it was going to go down to $10,000. It's why I'm out of it at the moment. I'm in stocks that actually make money and do stuff. But I'm sure we're going to get a very enlightened opinion today from Ali Tisro. We're glad he's here. A lot of people yesterday were asking, where is Ali Tisro? Where is Ali Tisro when you need him? And Paul B as well. We were asking for Paul B yesterday as well. So as you can see, Bitcoin SV is down 27%. My Bitcoin is down 9.73%. And my Ethereum is up 11%. So there you go. That's the situation. Let's go through and see who's here. Crypto has fallen. Yes, we saw it. The time has come. Yes, we saw it. I'm virtually out of it. It benefited. Well, it benefited me for Robinhood. Robinhood has had a big sell-off yesterday with FTX. So the company was up. It was making good money. The earnings were good. The Robinhood was up. I was very happy with it. I was up like 20%, and it dropped like 20% in minutes. So I doubled my position. So I'm only down 9.9% now, and it will return because the earnings is good. The company's making money now. Good morning, everyone, said Ed Nevius. Crypto Rose, crypto time. I'm not sure what that means. Dexter Sickles, welcome, welcome. I've been away looking deeply into this. Well, we are glad that you are back. Judging the technicals, I'm going all in crypto, SOL in particular. Oh my gosh, some people just never learn. Robert Rose, be very, very careful. Crypto is going to keep going down. Hope the haters stay away today. Yeah, didn't we have some idiots yesterday? Anyway, all my moderators, team, thank you so much for all the hard work you do. If you've just joined us and you are a guest, yes, Meta, I know, I've been saying it over and over again, very controversial, I know, but Meta is up, massively oversold. All we need is Mark Zuckerberg to say he's spending less on the metaverse. That's all. Not Facebook itself, less. The stock will go straight back to 200. It's why I've been buying it. I should be down 85%. I am only down now 13%. Because I kept buying it. I've got buy orders set all the way down. I'm only paying each time lower than I've ever paid before, my all-time low position. And there you go. So, and you can see because Microsoft bounced up. I know it's down slightly today, but it bounced up over the last few days, as did Google. If we just pan out and get some context, look at the rally we've had. Oversold high tech. We all know that the ad revenue spend is down, but it's not as doom and gloom as everyone tells you. Like no one can tell you more honestly and more transparently than me. How can I tell you that? Because I am at the cutting edge of the cutting face rather of ad revenue spend. The ad revenue spend, I've been saying it for ages, even though very few people listen to this. The ad revenue on YouTube is up. In other words, they're paying me more for my ads, which means the people that are advertising with YouTube must be paying more. Despite the headlines about the turn down and everything else, the reality is it is up. I'm not allowed to show you my what I earn per video. I know I tell you roughly like a cent a share, but I can't share you my backroom analytics of that. But I can tell you, and I've got no reason to make that story up. I've got the reason that all other YouTubers do by saying it's going down to make you feel sorry for them, I suppose, in some way, or terrible. But the reality is it's not going down at all. I'm telling you that. It's an absolute fact. So there you go. What's the matter with you? You have to understand Ethereum is still in profit for you. Crypto hasn't dropped as much as you think. Long way to go. No, I agree. I haven't got any profit though in Ethereum because I've only got like $1 of it. But I'm not buying it yet. I'm only setting my all-time lows. I mean, that's the only time I buy it. All right. Anyway, the overall portfolio is down very slightly today. CPI rate tomorrow. Now then, last night, Lucid earnings missed, but forward projections are good. I doubled, well, no, I didn't. That's not true. I didn't double my position. I bought 30 shares, a small amount, only because I'm pretty much invested in EV space. Lucid's good, but it's very, very cheap right now, so I don't need to invest that much. I've got 110 shares. This used to be $40 a share, so take that into equation. We could 3x this, so my investment of, I'll scroll up, 1,300 right now would be worth $4,000, and that would be about right. I wouldn't want any more. So I'm not just continually buying Lucid, not because I don't like it, because I'm fully invested with the EV space, particularly with Tesla. I've got orders to buy Tesla at 180. I've got orders to buy Rivian at 87. I've got orders to buy Apple at 130. I've got orders all over the place. Orders to buy Robinhood at 9. Did you see Elon sold millions of Tesla stocks worth something like 9 billion? Yes. No, I didn't see that, but I expected that to happen. So that's putting pressure on Tesla. So that'll eventually settle down, and I'm sure he'll buy back at some point as well. Anyway. So Ali Tisro, while you've been away, and others, I want to point out a couple of things that you may have missed. Most of it is Robert Rose. I'm reading the comments that Mike timed out. Thank you, Mike, for doing such a good job on our channel. Yeah, we don't basically, guys, if you get timed out, we don't want any swearing. We don't want any aggression towards anybody, and just keep it nice. Keep it nice, and then you can say what you like. You can have an opinion. You can have a strong opinion and disagree, but just don't swear and be abusive and stuff like that. We have a very, very, very open channel. Everyone's welcome. We just don't want any rudeness and unpleasantness. All right. Well, unpleasantness, if it's unpleasant situation, talk about the war or losing money is unpleasant. Just don't be offensive. Just don't be rude. All right. Be respectful. That's all we ask. It's in the terms of the chat. When you come in, you agree to the terms of the chat. Robert Rose, Martin, my man, my opinion is as such. Okay. The margin is looking dangerous. Well, what can I say? It's all being managed. Everything is managed. Everything. I'm happy with my positions. I know we're down at the moment. I know we're down. But you know, I am calm. I am relaxed. I am forward investing. I'm not scalp trading at the moment. I'm looking long term. I'm getting great companies. I'm getting discounts. And remember, when I buy on these drops, it's very important to remember when people say you're just buying like catching a falling knife. I want to make the point that when I buy, I am very calculative of how much I buy. It's not just let's just buy 1,000 shares or something. What I'm doing right now, my portfolio is fully stacked. It's fully invested, but the companies that I own, I'm just taking Amazon, Apple, Hood, Microsoft, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, Johnson J, all these solid stocks. These are the ones at the top here that I'm buying more of because I like them at this price. So obviously I love them at this price. But what I'm doing, I'm not blindly just buying every single drop, every 0.5%, because that'll go on forever. You run out of money and so on. What I'm doing, I'm walking into the shop, the stock shop, if you think of it as a physical shop. I'm walking into the stock shop and saying, I was here last week. I bought a pair of jeans for $10. And they went, yeah, we remember you. Thank you very much. Do you like my little scenario? And I go, right, I love these jeans. Still love these jeans. Think they're the best jeans in the world. Think these jeans are going to last me a long time. Don't think they're going to make me money because we're talking about jeans, right? But assume it's a stock, right? Go with me. And I say, right, I want to buy them again today. And they go, oh, do you? £10 then, please. I go, no, I'm paying 9. Well, they go, well, you paid 10 last week. I said, I don't care. I want them for 9. Take it or leave it. Well, times are hard. I tell you what we'll do. You are a regular customer. We'll let you have it for $9. Brilliant. I buy one at $9. My average comes down to $9.50 now because I got 2. One at 10, one at 9, average $9.50. Brilliant. I come back next week. They go, oh, hello again. How are you? Yeah, all right. I love these jeans. Don't tell me you want to buy another pair. Yeah, I do. I want them for $8. They go, no, you're taking the mick now. Well, why? I want them for 8. You sold them for 8.9 last week. Well, that was a special deal just to be nice. I go, right, I want them for 8 now. Take it or leave it. Well, I'm sorry, but they're 9. You can't. We gave you a 10% discount last week. Well, I don't care. I want them for 8. And if I don't get from 8, I'm not paying a penny more. I go, well, times are tough. All right, but this is the last time. All right, I'll buy another one at 8. Next week, I come back, I go, I want them at 7 now. And that's it. And that's my philosophy. Now, if you listen to Warren Buffett, who only ever buys great companies at great prices, period, that's it. Simple. So if the policy hasn't changed and you're prepared to be patient and you know your target, which in my case is 100,000 by the end of this year, that was the target, which is missed. I understand that, but I'm still aiming for it. And 200,000 by the time I need to retire, which is like 10 years away. So that's easily achievable. That's all I need. Got no mortgage, got no car loan, got no credit cards. I'm happy with that. Live a simple life. I'm happy with that. That's my aim. So I know what I'm aiming for. I know what my projections are. Now that doesn't mean to say I can get a shock and suddenly Meta go to $50, and then suddenly my plan's gone down the toilet. Now if Meta went to $50, all of a sudden, obviously it would trigger my next buy. My next buy is 87. But remember, mathematically, statistically, if you are a betting man or whatever, I'm not, but if you are a betting man, mathematically, Math doesn't lie. Statistics don't lie. The average of my stocks going up is far higher than it is going down from this position. And every time it drops, if the fundamentals haven't changed, the likelihood and the probability of it going up is increased over and over again. And so at the end of the day, I have noticed without a shadow of a doubt, fact, mathematically, my buying speed, my buying amount, my buying, I don't know, volume is slowing, which tells me I'm getting less and less opportunities to buy cheaper and cheaper stocks. So that's telling me my portfolio, not the market, not the Fed, not anybody else, my portfolio is getting safer and safer and more secure, and it's nearing the bottom more and more, and statistically more likely to go up from here because my buying ratio is going down. And if I look at my portfolio, as bad as it is and as terrible as it is, for the first time since I've had this portfolio, look at this. That's the month. You go, well, that's not very good. You're down 7% over the month. Yes, I'm down 7% over the month. But over the last month, the overall markets have been down a lot more than 7%. So I'm now beating the market on that ratio. But also, that's over the month. If we go 3.5 weeks, I'm actually up. If we hit this point, I'm actually up over the last 3 weeks. That's the first time since the crash came in December that I've actually been up over 3 weeks. So down over 4 weeks, I know at the moment, but we're getting closer and closer to being up over 3 weeks. Now, if we get the CPI rate just tick down tomorrow, we'll rally, I will be up over the month. Now, that's more reliable. You know, up over the minute, up over the day isn't so exciting, but up over the month is. Anyway, let me read these comments. Let's see what's going on. You have to be careful. Let's have a look at Deed. Hi, Mike. Enjoying markets. The margin looking dangerous. I want to point out margin as well. Margin doesn't take all your stocks away. Margin doesn't delete everything. If you get margin, you just need to raise yourself above the level. So maybe one of your stocks is down, or maybe you've got a good profit and you just sell something to clear some margin. You know, if you're down, if you get margined by $100, you only need to put 101 and you're not margined anymore. It's not your margin, so we're taking all your stocks. I got margin before. I learned how it works. So, you know, you need to understand that. Let's have a look. Hi, enjoying the market. Let's have a look. You have to be careful, margin. We all know how it normally ends. I thought we'd be green until tomorrow, but it looks like some risk is coming off the table or hedge position. I thought we'd be green until tomorrow, but it looks like some risk is coming off the table and or hedge positions taken. I'm happy buying low, just needs time. Yet people don't have patience anymore. Worst scenario ever. Why would you be setting the price? And why do you need so many jeans? Worst scenario ever. Why would you be setting the price? Well, isn't that the way to do business? Isn't that the way to invest? To say, I am not following the trend. I am not being suckered into the prices, inflation, the volatility of the markets, the news, the hype, the trends. I am telling you what I am paying because that suits my portfolio. Why is that the worst case scenario? To me, that's the best case scenario. And why would you need so many jeans? Well, in this case, we're not talking about bloody jeans. We're talking about companies that make money, Ali Tisro. You know that. Stop playing with me. Completely incoherent. One of the strangest analogies I've heard. Okay, fair enough. You can disagree all you like. Robert, then don't listen. Coherent. I don't see how it was coherent at all. Do you know what coherent means? I don't think it was coherent at all. Rob Brennan, Ali Isles, Rob Brennan got an applause from Ali Isles. Hi all, says Rob Brennan. That's just isn't true, Martin. Just because something comes down 50% doesn't mean it has less chance of going down 50 than up. I have to disagree with you. If the company's fundamentals haven't changed, if it's just, I mean, let's put this into context, right? Because some of you are disagreeing with me, and I'm going to prove my point. Long time no see, Rob, Mike, Robert. You come on here and say your opinion of how you don't like the way he does things, and don't listen. They are other YouTubers to watch. We are trying to be positive always. Buffett runs Graham theory on cost averaging in 22.5 EPS bookshelf divided by square root. True. Oh my gosh, that sounds complicated. Positive, of course, but informative. I imagine should be the number one priority. I don't care. Stocks always go lower. In time, the stocks will go back up. Market history. Good prices to buy. Buy more jeans. See? Stephen Lewandowski's with me. Buy more jeans. Right. Let me make my point. Let me prove what I just said has validity and actually makes sense. Few months ago, a year or so, 2 years ago, everybody suddenly decided a few years ago, as Meta started to rise, people that hated Facebook, people that didn't like Mark Zuckerberg thought, hey, hang on a minute. Facebook's all right. I thought this guy was an idiot. I thought Facebook was rubbish. I'm going to jump on the bandwagon. That's not investing. Investing is putting your money into a company when it's not doing great because you believe in its future, not because it's now rising and looking like it's doing great, like a lemon. Everybody's going, oh, look, it's a bull market. Facebook's going up. Everybody pile on in. That's not intelligent investing. That's just a load of lemmings following everybody else. That's not inspirational. That's not challenging. That's not difficult. The difficult part is investing when it's down, when everybody else is saying it's rubbish. Now, everyone said Facebook was rubbish, blah, blah, blah. The film came out. Everybody thought Mark Zuckerberg was an idiot. All right, but all of a sudden he starts making money. Oh, I'll jump on the bandwagon. Up it went. Then he realizes that Facebook, even though it's a cash cow, suddenly direction of social media is changing and then believes in a metaverse. Just like when I started my channel, everybody thought I was an idiot doing that. Why don't you do your singing? You're better at singing. No, I believe in this. Yeah, but you're going to earn no money. You're going to sit there for a year earning nothing. It's going to be rubbish. Anyway, so he believed there's a new direction. Now, because he's spending a lot of money, not because Facebook is rubbish. Facebook's still making money. Reels is up, viewership's up, membership's up, all these things, right? The market, Wall Street said, this is ridiculous. You're spending more money than the Apollo missions, which is true over the next few years, like 250 billion projected. That's one of the biggest investments in history. We can't buy into this. This is insane. The guy's not insane at all. I don't like Facebook. Before anyone says, I don't like Facebook. I prefer YouTube. I don't really do very much. I'm live right now on Facebook, but I don't very rarely go on and this is my dinner. This is what I've had for dinner. And Instagram, I hardly do anything. And WhatsApp, I don't do anything at all. So all the companies that Meta own. However, Facebook has a huge customer base. And the only reason it's gone down, and it's funny, because the very, very experts, I'm always in jail on Connie Anderson. We got a guest here. It's Connie Anderson. Would everybody welcome Connie Anderson into the show? Put your cities and countries in. Connie, welcome to our channel. We have officially the most engaged YouTube channel when it comes to live viewers who are members, higher than Mr. Beast. We have 95% of our live viewers are members. So welcome to our channel. And I'm going to come on to Arrival in a minute. So there you go. There's Arrival. And Lucid we covered last night as well. So we'll cover that in a minute as well. So at the end of the day, suddenly Mark Zuckerberg's an idiot. Suddenly we're selling everything off. Well, I thought you believed in it a minute ago. I thought you believed in the visionary. Oh, no, I've changed my mind now. He's an idiot. All right, well, maybe Meta doesn't take off. Maybe the metaverse is a load of rubbish. Maybe. The moment they reverse or the moment they stop spending money or spend less, the stock is $200. So you asked me why I buy more jeans. Meta is a perfect example of overselling. The company makes money. It makes a heck of a lot of money. Companies that we invest in a lot of companies we invest in have lots of debt, have lots of potential downside. This company has proved itself over years to be the #1 social media platform in the world. Even if I don't like it, it's irrelevant. 2.9 billion customers. When the markets improve, when the economy improves, I should say, and investors start advertising again, they will advertise on Meta, and it's a cash cow. And all they need to do is say we're spending less on metaverse, and the stock is $200. So at the end of the day, I will buy when it goes down, and I believe that's the right thing to do, because like Warren Buffett, if you want to use that as an analogy, I like to invest on companies that are good, proprietary, track record, successful, made their way onto the S&P 500, and are down because of trends and popularity contests and everything else. And it's why I own 20% of the S&P 500 is 20% of my portfolio. It holds my markets up. It's why I hold, and I always will hold, my staples, which is McDonald's, which keeps making me money, Coca-Cola, which just holds my money. But like Warren Buffett, it earns him a great dividend. And okay, I only have 62 shares. I'm not going to live on the dividends. But this is never losing me money. It's slowly making me money. When we get commodity issues and it drops, I buy some more. I reinvest the dividends. And all of this with J&J, very, very important, farmers, hold up my portfolio. So we can see the high-tech stocks like Google and Microsoft and Meta all got sold off at the same pace. And Meta, regarded as the highest risk of the three, is up and growing faster. So anyway, that's my opinion. That's what I'm doing it for. You can agree or disagree all you like. Let's have a little look. Facebook offering creators a bonus on Reels at the moment, so big push. Yeah, Reels is getting a big push. Never quite understood how to do Reels. I find the platform confusing. It's like LinkedIn. I find the LinkedIn confusing, and I'm sure a lot of people think it's great. I disputed it, and they said I made a mistake and did not violate terms yet, but left me in jail. I know there's a lot of issues like that. I've had accounts frozen. I get copyright flags every single day, even though all I'm doing is talking. No issue on YouTube. No issue on TikTok, no issue on Twitter, no issue on Twitch, but Facebook banned me every day. Now, as human beings, we always like to moan. We always say, oh, it's rubbish, but nearly everybody has a Facebook account. All right, I'm just saying. How do you think SPY will open? I don't know how SPY will open. I don't have to guess. I don't options trade. I just buy when it goes down. Welcome, Connie. Thank you all. Connie Anderson. Did we get where Connie was from? Hello. A stock price isn't just about how good a company is. You could have the best car in the world. If people stop buying cars and decide to buy boats, instead the company is worthless. I get that. But people are greedy and they will go where the money goes. If you make a great car and it's the best car in the world and someone buys it, and it makes a profit for the company, somebody will eventually hear about it, and then they'll sell 2 cars. I am an example of that. I sat here for 10 months, made no money, talked to nobody. I kept going, and now everyone tells somebody, and we grow every day, because it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how small you are. It doesn't matter how insignificant you are. If you are the best... Mark Cuban, a billionaire, when I played in his house, I do gigs, music, whatever, as the world piano man. I played in his house, and he said to me, Martin, be the very best of yourself and you will always succeed, because nobody can be a better you. If you are the best of yourself, you will always succeed. And that is it. And that is what I do. That's why I've gone absolutely over the top and built the best online streaming studio on YouTube. I want the very best for my customers. I want the most honest, real YouTube channel in the world. And that might be hard to promote because there's no sensationalism on this channel. There's no drama and nonsense and clickbait. But I believe eventually, if you are giving the best of yourself and the best service, you cannot help but fail. Right, market forces are more important than companies. Yeah, but that's all about the battles, but the war will always be won. Oh my God, look at InvestCorp. InvestCorp, if you are a member of our channel, I can review a stock for you and do a poll for you and many, many perks. If you are a member, members get many, many perks in our channel. Here is the membership. We have the highest engagement of members to live viewers on any channel, including Mr. Beast. Nearly every single person who watches as a member. 95% in fact is the number. If you become a member, I will review the stock, celebrate your birthday, cash prize giveaways, you name it, we're here to help everybody. Sydney from Canada, thank you. I am from Binghamton, New York. Connie Anderson, it's lovely to have you here on the show. If you become a member, we celebrate your birthday. I'm the World Piano Man. I'll go behind to my piano and celebrate you and your family. You can have live requests, 20-minute fundraisers, access to Discord. You can call in live to the show. Many, many benefits for you being a member. All right, so Meta is still going up. Back to our portfolio. We're down 0.65. I've talked a bit too long this morning. I've lost myself a little commercial break, so I've got to sort that out. So we're going to run a quick commercial break right now. It takes 10 seconds. If you get an ad, skip the ad. I'll be right back in 10 seconds. I have to earn 0.01 cent per person. 25 people, I'm going to earn 25 cents. Let's do it. Here we go. Okay, we are back. I bought some Amazon, SoFi, Tesla, Meta, Rivian, Apple, all good stocks. These shares will go up in time. I'm right with you there, Stephen Lewandowski. I also want to say that SoFi will, in my opinion, replace brick and mortar banks. That's why I've gone more in Hood. There you go. Hood's returning. I expected that to happen because Hood don't think of it as just a brokerage for investing and the stock market. Think of it also as a bank, a digital bank. It pays money on your uninvested cash. It's a bank. It does cash back. It's got a credit card coming out. It's a digital bank. And with interest rates going up, it's making a lot of money right now. So if you want to invest in the banks, Wells Fargo, Chase, blah, blah, blah. Why not invest in Robinhood and SoFi? Then you're investing in the future banks. Just saying. My humble opinion. Because these are new, innovative companies. In my opinion, they are better value than buying the banks. These are banks, but these are beat up prices. Again, that same principle of what I've always talked about. Anyway, maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'll lose all my money. Right, okay. We are going to put a 1 minute on the clock. I want to get 20 likes in 1 minute. Is our dear friend Connie Anderson still here? This is where we got a cash prize giveaway coming on Friday. If you want to be in on it, you can. It's free to enter, free for all. Robinhood is also working on their trading tool development. Also, Ed Nivius, they are working on Roth IRA. I think it's out. It's out. They're about to release it. That you can move your stocks into a tax-free haven, which is kind of cool. I'm very excited about that. I'll be looking into that. Anyway, what I want to do now is put a 1 minute on the clock and get 20 likes. You ready? Here we go. 20 likes in 1 minute. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. I said, chicky, 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 pow, pow. What the real Satoshi? Stand up, say please, stand up, say please, stand up. Will the real Satoshi stand up? Nakamoto. Right, we got 15 likes. Where's the other 5 likes coming from? We got more people watching. Smash the like button. Come on, smash it, smash it, smash it. Where are you? Let me get to 20 likes before the clock reaches 0. Robinhood is also working on their trading tool development. Just coming from Ed Nevius. You're right, Martin. Keep with your plan. It's right for me. It's not right for everyone, right? Right. 16 likes. Have we got people watching the ads still? I hope so. They're watching their ads. They're earning me money. I like that. And then I can buy some more stocks. Is there any more info on Hood IRA as you mentioned? Not yet. No. I will be the first to get it because I am on the priority list for many things. I'm beta testing the wallet right now. I was one of the first to get the crypto wallet the original one from Robinhood. So I'll get it. I'm on the top list. It's because I'm fully invested with Robinhood. Just 25 minutes to go before the market opens. Hello, everybody on TikTok. If you want to be in our free cash prize draw, we do a free cash prize draw every single week. It's free to enter, free for all. This is my YouTube channel. This is the home of my traders, the home of my investors. TikTok is a great way for you to see what I'm doing and interact with me and find new friends. But our main investors and traders and where we do our cash giveaways is here on YouTube. Links in the profile, or you just go youtube.com/@ Martyn Lucas Investor, the same name as this channel. And be very wary of the scammers on TikTok, YouTube. I will never message you. I never ask for anything. I never sell you anything. And I go live all the time. I've got 27,000 followers. And I do a cash giveaway to my members and my subscribers for free. I don't want nothing in return other than your company. And that's how it will always be. So if you want to be part of my main trading platform today, where I am, this is where I am right now. You're on a phone looking at my YouTube broadcast, youtube.com/@ Martyn Lucas Investor. And if you come into the live chat on YouTube, say, hey, I'm from TikTok. I want to be in your free cash prize draw. Just tell me that in the chat and I will put you in the draw. And on Friday, we draw it out. And every Friday, we do a cash draw and you can win. All right? There you go. If you're purchasing a company that makes profits such as Meta, yes, on your earlier point, Martin, hang on, let me just go back to this a minute. You're right, Martin, keep up with your plan. I've got 18 likes now, we nearly got there. Is there any more info on Hood? Not yet, but I'm keeping my eye on it. On your earlier point, Martin, stock halving means you're purchasing a portion of future dividends at a lower price. Whereas crypto can genuinely go to zero as it has no intrinsic value in my opinion. I could not agree with you more, Rob Brennan. Apple, Microsoft, J&J, the companies that I own most of, they own buildings, assets, stock, infantry. They have assets. They can, they're not going to go to zero. They have good balance sheets. They make money. They have history. Exactly. Whereas crypto, the moment people don't believe in it anymore, it goes to zero. It's as simple as that. Ali Tisro still with me. Thank you, Ali Tisro. Just checking you are still with me. You're very quiet this morning. Everybody would love to hear from you about this situation with crypto. I'm opening up the broadcast lounge on Discord. For YouTube members, if you are a member, you can call in to the show today. The broadcast lounge is open. For our guests watching and thinking, what is it like to call in? You can call in by video or you can call in just by audio. And this is what it looks like on video. This was Kurt Wookert.
I'm Kurt Wookert Jr., and I am blessed to have been on The Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martin is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So
I have to first say that, your show is amazing. Everyone needs to check out Martyn Lucas, The Day Trader.
Okay, I was sleeping one day back on August 18th, and I woke up to Martin singing a song. He advertised that he would do birthdays. My sister's birthday was going to be on that Friday.
Welcome to The Day Traders. This show is pretty an awesome show. I have been supporting it ever since the lockdown.
So there you go. There's some of our guests. You can call in. Good morning, Church, Queen of Self-Braiding. How are you this morning? Lovely to have the Queen here. Queen, we had another lady in the show today. We get very few ladies on our show. I wonder if she's still here. Connie Anderson, is she still here? There you go. She's still here. Say hello to her. She's from New York, Binghamton. We've got the Queen of Self-Braiding. We have a lady from Italy join us as well. But yeah, the 99%, I would say, are gentlemen here in the channel. Can I call you gentlemen? Is that stretching it a bit? Anyway, thanks for all the follows over there on TikTok. TikTok friends, if we want to get a really big stream today, if you want to help me grow, I would love your support to get more and more viewers so I can help more people. We've raised over $1 million for our charities on this channel. I give away cash prizes every Friday. No purchase necessary. I'm just here to help people. And I love to grow this channel. I want to become the best TikTok and the best YouTube channel in the world. That's my aim. That's why I go live 10 hours a day. And you can help me right now. If everyone right now on TikTok taps the screen with 2 fingers like that, and we get like 10,000 likes, TikTok will share it to more people. More people will come in. More people will come onto YouTube. I make more money. I give away more money in cash prizes. So you help yourself. So if you want to help yourself, if you want the channel to grow, if you want this whole thing to become the best thing in the world, then please take part. There we go. We've got everyone doing it now. Thank you so much indeed. The Gucci Soldier, Vinton, thank you so much indeed. Now, you guys that are liking the video, who obviously you want to help the channel, I want to do something to help all of you that want to grow your channels on TikTok. I've got need 27,000 followers. I go live every day. If you click the little star just there, look, see the little star? Become a subscriber to my channel. At the end of the show, I put your channel on this screen, record a commercial to promote your channel and invite all of my 27,000 followers to go onto your channel, and I post that onto my profile, and then I share it with everyone, tag you in it, and I follow you back and I engage with you. And every time I make a viral video, I tag you in it, and all my subscribers see benefits for doing that. All right, so if you want to do that, Bill's one of my subscribers. He's got a Luca badge. See it? All right, back to YouTube. Hi Mike, glad to see you today. Hi Connie, welcome. ETORO, wouldn't the same be true for the currencies like USD or Euro? Yet still many anti-crypto people hold large cash positions. They don't then hold something that also doesn't have. No, you got a point there, ETORO. You have a point there, but the difference between the dollar and crypto is it has governments and the Fed to print money and to back it up and to regulate it, support it in some way, trying to tackle inflation, because at the end of the day, if inflation gets out of control, your money's worth less. I get that. So there's that system in place. There's no system in place to protect your crypto. If it goes to zero, it goes to zero. Well, for the US dollar to go to zero, it would require inflation to go to a gazillion %. So it would be a gazillion dollars to buy a cup of coffee. Well, that would not be allowed to happen. We would have revolutions in the street. We would have systems in place to fight against that. I'm not saying it's impossible, but we would fight against it. There's nothing to stop anything going to zero with crypto. Anyway, glad I got out of Arrival when I did, following your advice the other day. Shame, as I really like what they hope to make. I agree. What I did, Pablo, I mean, I've got a very small position. I mean, there are people with millions of shares of Arrival who are out big time. The company is badly managed right now, but a lot of things are beyond their control. They've run out of money. They came into the industry at the wrong time, perhaps. Interest rates, inflation, supply shortages. They've had a lot of challenges. I said to you that it is now a potentially bankrupt stock. I believe that. I don't see out that they said on their call they wish to raise funds. Well, how can they from their share price? It's not worth anything. They might have to do a forward split. A reverse split. I beg your pardon. A reverse split just to stay in the index, and then liquidate. So I fully expect this company to go bankrupt. However, I expect every day I buy a lottery ticket to lose. 100%. When I buy a lottery ticket, I assume I'm going to lose. Of course I do. I don't go, right, I'm buying a lottery ticket today, I'm likely to win this. Of course not. So I bought some more when it went down to when it went down to 30. So I'm down 38%. I bought some more, but such a small amount. I'm out by 75 bucks. But I have 322. I'm not going to buy any more. Because if it goes any lower, and I already said this, so I went against my own principles. I said if it goes any lower, I'm not going to buy anymore because it's going bankrupt. Well, it did go lower, but I thought there's a chance of a little pop, and I'll make myself a cup of coffee. And what I will do if it does pop, I will set a stop trail order. So I will be out. I will recover my money. And I will trail it up and make something. or I'll lose it all at this stage. But at this stage, it's only a couple $100. It's nothing to be too concerned about. So that's my situation there. I think if the pound goes to zero, I have much bigger problems than my investments. Yeah, exactly. Of course. In the case of a rival, would someone come in to buy them or their technology? In the case of a rival, would someone... Yeah, I mean, that could happen. The technology is great. They could be bought out. I've never experienced firsthand what would happen to our shares if they were bought out. I don't know. Going bankrupt and being allowed to go completely bankrupt is one thing. Amazon is up, by the way. I don't know what would happen to our shares. Maybe someone could tell me. Market Profit might have some knowledge on this front. Market Profit, a question from the family here right now. If a rival was bought out by another company, a competitor, whatever, what would happen to our shares? We understand if it goes bankrupt, we lose all our money. But if it was bought out, what would happen to our shares? Any idea? I guess my guess is, and I've never experienced it firsthand, it depends on the arrangement of the deal. I would imagine. I wouldn't imagine it's an automatic thing. Anyway, you get paid what the acquiring company paid per share. Leveling Up in the Ranks in MW2 says you get paid what the acquiring company paid per share. Okay, if you bought out, you receive whatever the purchase price per share is multiplied by your holding of shares. Okay, so someone came along and bought the company for $1 a share. I would get $1 a share times 322, right? If they bought it for 1 cent a share, which is possible, I would get 1 cent. So I get it. All right. Well, maybe that's likely. Maybe that is a potential. So holders of Twitter got 54 per share or whatever Elon paid. Okay. So let's keep it then. Let's keep it on the basis if it pops, I'll set a stop trail loss. If it gets bought out, I will get some money back. Right now, though, I'm expecting it to go to worst case scenario, goes to zero. I lose $200. That's essentially what I would lose, $200. So it's a lottery ticket right at this stage. So there we go. That's our situation. Now, Lucid. I bought Lucid last night. I got more to buy at $11. I bought it last night at a price of $12. It's now $12.29. The earnings was a miss, but I like their forward thinking. I thought Arrival was like 180. It was at one point. You've been gone a long time. You've been gone. When was it 180? Oh my gosh. That was ages ago. 3 months ago. Back in August. Yeah, a bit different today, mate. Hi, Rob. Exactly. That's what just happened when Twitter went private and got delisted. Hi, Dexter, Rob Brennan. Leveling Up. Arrival should reverse split to stay on the major exchanges. It probably will. For those of you that don't know what a reverse split is, a forward split is when one becomes 10 or one becomes 3, like Tesla. That's a good thing. That allows more people to buy the stocks, more people to options trade because you need 100 shares for a contract to do options. Makes the stock seem more affordable, makes it available to people who can't do fractional shares. That's why a company, if it grows too big, does a forward split. A reverse split, however, is when a company is in trouble and wants to remain on the index. So in Arrival's case, I would, let's say they wanted to make every share worth $118. I would have one share. They would do a reverse split, 322 shares for one. So I would own one share of Arrival at $118. Now that doesn't mean, hey, my shares have gone up. I've got 322, now makes one. It just keeps them on the index because if they get delisted, then the stock would be over because no one's buying it then. Doesn't mean you can't buy it if it's not on this market. You know, there are different markets, but if you're not on this market, no one's seeing you. You're not mainstream. You're not going to get any investment. You look like, a back bedroom business and you're going nowhere. You want to remain on the index, so you're not allowed to fall below a certain level. And where they are right now, they are in danger of being delisted. Did you see Elon sold more stock of Tesla yesterday? No, I didn't, but I think Rob Brennan pointed it out this morning in the show, at the beginning of the show. So thanks to Rob for that. Right, very, very quick commercial break. We're coming up 10 minutes before the market opens. Let's get everybody in the show. Let's see how many people we've got watching. 25. Smash the like button if you've just tuned in. Arrivals now picking up a little bit. See you back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. Okay, we are back. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, I don't think have ever done a stock split, and the shares cost like $300,000 for one share. Yeah. I mean, they don't have to do it. Absolutely, they don't have to do it. Berkshire Hathaway aren't 300,000 shares, $300,000 because I've owned Berkshire Hathaway. Berkshire Hathaway is not $300,000 a share. Berkshire Hathaway. Oh, I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. I do apologise. It's $442,000 a share. Bloody hell. There you go. Berkshire Hathaway, $442,000 a share. Bloody hell, look at that. That's a sight and a half, isn't it? I wonder what the most expensive stock in the world is. Redfin just announced 13% of its staff to be fired and its closing house flipping segment. Now, this is good news. Bad news is good news, right? For the Fed to pivot, for the Fed to calm down, their job is to not bring the markets down, but cool the market down and see the employment market go down. We want to see layoffs, awful as it is, because that then signifies that companies are slowing down. That's what the Fed want to see. So when we see firings and companies reducing their staff, that is good. That's what the Fed are trying to do. So it's awful if you're one of those people, but that is what we want to see right now. I think they have an A-class share and a B-class share. Yeah, I just saw that. That's the same as Google. Google have an A and B class, and people often ask me, which Google do you buy? Which Google do you buy? And it makes no difference other than if you want to vote. So I've got Class C, which is the most common one. I think it's A or B. I forget which is the other one. It means you have voting rights. You know, whatever. It makes a difference. They're the same. It depends what you want to do. But there you go. Anyway, if you're a small retail investor, it makes no difference to you whatsoever. And you can convert one way. 22 says, what would you do if space went to $440,000 a share? What would I do? Well, I would have sold a long time ago, because on the way up, I would have sold it. I'm going to be trimming up at $10. When it gets to $10, I got to trim off the top. It can't become 99.9% of my portfolio, can it? So it would never get to. I wouldn't wake up one day and go, oh my gosh, my Virgin Galactic is $442,000 a share. I never saw that come in. What happened there? Sell. Of course I'd sell. I'd be the richest man in the world. I'd own enough. I'd be happy as Larry, wouldn't I? Anyway, Rob, I think he would be on a flight for sure. Yeah, I'd be on a flight, Ed Nevius. Martin, would you go live only wearing Speedos and a gold crown if space went that high? Yes, I would. On this occasion, you finally got me, Market Profit. I've always said I'm not doing this Speedos thing, but you know what? I absolutely would if I if it went that high. Musk sold 19.5 million shares of Tesla between November 4th and 8th. All right. Your space would be worth a touch over 1 billion. There you go. Thank you for working that out, Rob. Appreciate that. Because it's highly likely we need to prepare for this. Lindt chocolate. Look at the stock price. I can look at it for you and review it and promote it and make a video for your favorite stock, Lindt chocolate, if you're on YouTube and you become a member. I do it for all my members. So youtube.com/@ Martyn Lucas Investor. Same name as the channel, or you can go into the profile and get it just there. All right, okay. We got 5 minutes to go. What is up? What is down? The S&P 500. I've got an order to buy there. Virgin Galactic. I've got an order to buy there. I am just out of the money. Only just. Virgin Orbit. Order to buy there. Tesla. Order to buy at 180. Rivian. Earnings after hours tonight. So earnings after hours tonight. Rivian earnings after hours. We are here live with Rivian. Do join us. But Martin, if you promote a stock, isn't it stock manipulation? No, it isn't stock manipulation at all. When I say I promote a stock, I talk about it because I invest in it. I share with you what I believe. I don't, as far as I'm concerned, promoting a stock where you are selling it, where you are promoting it, because making up lies and trying, whatever. If you're talking about a stock, saying what you believe in and investing in it yourself, no. And also as well, this channel isn't big enough to do that. not even close. I'd need millions of subscribers. Anyway, Lucid popping up. Oh, hang on, you can't see what's going on. Why is my trading screen not working? There we go, that's better. There we go. Nobody asked. My iPhone's fixed. Look. My iPhone, I'm back on TikTok. My brand new iPhone's here. And my other phone got fixed. So down here is my phone, which is what you're looking at on this screen now. This here is my phone. That's my phone, right? That's my phone. So that's fixed. That had a battery problem. And over here, I'm on TikTok. That's the new iPhone 14 Pro, which is just like the iPhone 10, which was just like the iPhone 11, which was just like the iPhone 12, which was just like the iPhone 13, but brand new. Oh, arrival. Move in. Now then, pull phone. Yeah. The pull phone is still broke. Pull phone is a bit of expensive glass. I mean, what can I say? The pull phone doesn't do anything. All right, arrival is just popped there a little bit. 38% down. No, I'm not buying it anymore. Don't think I am. I'm not. Right, here we go. Get ready to ring the bell. We've got 30 watching, 90. I want 30 likes by the time the bell goes. Are you ready? We got a minute and a half. I want 30 likes. If you want the markets to go up, let's look into my crystal ball. Right, are you ready? Crystal ball, we've got the CPI rate tomorrow. Is it going to be up or down? Crystal ball. A green day today. We missed it yesterday. Green day today. There we go. We're getting ready for the crystal ball. It's like the crystal bloody maze in here, isn't it? Right, are you ready? Okay, we got 45 seconds to go. Smash the like button. Hit Mr. Mini-Me. I want 30 likes in 1 minute. I will not start the show until we do. Right, ready? Smash the like. You ready? Here it comes. 1 minute on the clock. And here we go. All right. Chicky, boom. All right. I'll do it. Chicky, pow, pow. Said chicky, pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please stand up. Say please stand up. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. All right, we got 23 likes. Come on, smash the like. We got 30 seconds to go. We need some more likes. We need 30 likes by the time the bell goes. What's going on? Smash the like button. Here we go. 25 seconds to go before the bell goes. Get ready for a morning. We're down 0.98 at the moment. How low are we going to go? You ready? Here we go. Get ready. 0.96. It's going down. And we're about to ring the bell in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's showtime. Showtime, everybody. Here we go, live on the stock market today. It is November the 9th, 8:30 Central Time, and we are off and running. Is the crystal ball a new feature? That's brilliant. All right, okay. Down 1.74. We're falling again. Let's go, Mr. Clockwork. Here comes the lightning round. Where are we up? Where are we down? The S&P is down 0.58, preparing for the CPI tomorrow. Virgin Galactic is on a wash at the moment. Okay, Virgin Orbit is 0 at the moment, waiting for it to go back down again. Tesla is down 189. Huge losses here. I'm $2,000 down now. I was $2,000 up. That's a swing of $4,000. I will buy at 180. I'm not going to abandon Tesla just because Elon Musk sold it to buy Twitter. Slap on the wrist, Elon. You're not helping anyone. Doesn't care about the stock price. He cares about the business, and they're completely separate. Rivian is down 4% today. We got earnings tonight. I'm still up 14%. Crash and burn, says Bill. Lucid is going down. We are now down 1.88, 38,000. Not looking good. Not looking good at the moment. Arrival is going up. That's bizarre, isn't it? Let's have a look. Amazon, I've got a buy at 87. We're now down at 38,000. We're dropping all the time. Let's keep an eye on where we are. Let's see the biggest losers. Amazon is now about to hit 88. I've got a buy at 87. Apple, I've got a buy at 130. Apple is down 0.9. Robinhood is down. I've got an order to buy at $9. It's down 4.77. There we go. McDonald's is up today. These are the stocks that saved my portfolio over and over and over and over again. Up. Coca-Cola is down very slightly, but I'm up on it and I've got an order to buy. J&J is up today as well. The farmers are holding me up, and the best one. Google is flat right now. That's quite good. Down 10%. Sharp drops at opening usually end up reversing. Absolutely. SoFi. I've just bought a SoFi. An order for SoFi has just gone in at an all-time low. For me, an all-time low for SoFi. Let me just clarify what just happened there. Let's have a quick look. SoFi went through, but by 20 shares at $5 a share. That's my all-time low for SoFi. Let me just check. There we go. 20 shares at $5. Okay, so I'm going to put another buy in there now. So I'm going to put a limit order, and this time we hit 5. I'm going to go 450, and a ridiculously low position considering their earnings. How many did I buy at that price? I bought 20 shares. Let's have a little look. How many have I got now? 406, 20. Like by 40, 450. That's heck of a drop. Let's have a look. That's my all-time low. Allow to execute, and let's go all-time good till cancelled. Company are doing great. I like where it's going. I'll buy 40 at 450. Okay, let's set that review order, and that can live there. That's an all-time low now. There we go. That's in the bag. Fantastic. Received your order to buy at 450. Will it go that low? Who can tell? Right, there's no more buys at the moment. Let's carry on going through the stocks. Apple is down. Leah, that was done. Thank you very much. Leah just brought me a cup of coffee, Mike. Cheers, Leah. Okay. Apple is down. Buy at 130. Robinhood is down 931. I've got an order at 9. McDonald's is very strong today, looking good. Coca-Cola will bounce back in a second. J&J is up. Google down very slightly. I'm only down 10%, 11% now, and that's been obliterated. I'm only down 2% now, 2.8 on Microsoft. It's going down. Meta is now up, very strong today. 5.5% today. Look at that. I'm up $294 today on Meta. That was oversold, and now people are turning to Meta. Remember, they used all the techs as a source of funds to buy new stock. So there you go. A lot of people made a lot of money in the past on those companies and decided to go all in. To sell those out, and that's the only reason why they've dropped. PayPal, I'm out. Rolls-Royce, I'm out. Moving on to Walmart, I'm up 16.7%. It's pretty flat right now. Target, I'm up 6%. Pretty flat. So I've got money there if I ever need to sell and take some money off the table. Tesco, down 2%. We're coming up to dividend, which is on December 2nd, under a month now to go. Canoe is down 4.21. On is down. The semis down today. Tilray Brands down 2.63. I'm up 7%. Okay, here comes the return. The rally is starting to go the other way. Enphase Energy is up 1.48. Bitcoin SV is down 2.99, down 27% overall. I'm not touching it. I don't care how cheap it goes, unless it's like 1 cent, whatever. I respect my money too much. There's my overall portfolio, down 2.5, now down 2, just gained 0.5% in seconds. We're back above 38. Martyn Lucas Investor, can you check R1, RMC, Mr. Clockwork? Yes, I can. Now we're under 2%, 1.82 down. So what's happening now? I just bought SoFi, and SoFi is returning. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I just bought it at $5 and I've now got to buy at $4.50. So that's lowered my average again. I'm very, very, very happy. In fact, my average now is under $6, $5.92. Bought yesterday 373 shares at $7. Mr. Clockwork, I will come on to it in a second. Let's see where we go right now. Over there on TikTok, welcome everyone. If anyone in the chat knows, please confirm. What is it you want to do? If anyone in the chat knows, please confirm. What do you want to know? Wand Lil Zindella 947. What is it you want to know? Pop onto YouTube. I'll answer your question, or ask it again, and I'll check. I don't know what your question is. Right. We're trying to pull back. We're trying to get a little bit of a return. The S&P, of course, down 2.76, being hurt by all my top stocks at the moment. Virgin Galactic. Rivian is down. We've got the earnings tonight for Rivian. So if it goes below 26, my gosh, I should buy some more. It's always, always, always remained profitable at 26. So I've always made money on Rivian. Always. I made money on the way up, made money on the way down, and happy. So Lucid just dropping back. Got an order at 11. We are retracing now. Look, it's starting to go back the other way. So, nice cup of coffee. Let's have a quick look for Mr. Clockwork. Just before I do mention this, if we've got any guests, here is our membership. If you wish to be a member of our channel and get many, many perks and benefits, we hope you will become a member. Also, as well, some of you have let your Twitch Prime, Amazon Prime memberships run out on Twitch. It's free using Amazon Prime Gaming. It doesn't renew itself. Please go and do that. 1, it promotes the channel. 2, you are in a cash prize draw every first Friday of the month. There is the Twitter. But we're now going to, for one of our members here, look how it's bouncing back like that. Let me know what you think about R1. What is the ticker? R1. What is the ticker? I'm ready to look at it for you now. Tesla. Try to buy it at 180. There we go. Whoa. Tesla up 1%. We knew, see, no surprise. We knew that Tesla was going to be sold because of Twitter. So we knew that. So I've been buying the dips. What was my latest acquisition? My latest was 201. I never got for 180, never quite got there. And I don't mind. I don't really want to spend any more money, but I will, and I owe it to my own bloody stocks to buy them when they go to all-time lows. I have to dig deeper and have to go deeper in. But there we go. That's not bad, is it? Portfolio is coming back up again. Let's check Meta. If you keep buying the lower prices, eventually you win. Meta is up nearly 7%. I'm only down 10%. Remember, I should be down 85+% on Meta. And because I bought it and I bought on the way down, I'm now down just 10%. An average of 115. Bit of FOMO coming in, I'll tell you that. Right, for buying Tesla, Martyn Investor, wise man for buying Tesla at this price. Absolutely. RCM. You want me to look at RCM. So let me open up a duplicate channel for you first of all, so I have it on hand. All right. I had some silly comments last night saying, will Tesla go the way of Peloton? Of course it bloody won't. Peloton were losing money. Tesla makes money. It's more profitable than hardly any other car. Well, it is more profitable than any other car company on earth. Anyway, is that the ticker symbol, $RCM? Hang on, RCM. Oh, there we go. Will make even more money. Yes, it will. The stock has experienced elevated. So what is it? R1 engages in the provision of revenue cycle management to healthcare providers. It offers end-to-end modular revenue cycle and physician advisory services. Show a bit more. The company was founded by Mary Antolin and Michael Klein in July 2003, headquartered in Murray, Utah. Listed name for RCM is RCM. Let's have a little look at it. 22,000 employees, around since 2003, 3 billion market cap. No dividend on this one. 52-week low, 674. So it's not far away, not that far, a million miles away from its all-time low. Very low volume. Average volume 5, hardly any volume at all today. But that's just opened up. 5 million. I say it's not that bad. It's not nothing. Let's have a little. Let's pan out and have a little bit closer look. Oh, I see where you're coming from. I see it engages in provision of revenue cycle management to healthcare providers. What do we all think of that one? That's a bit like a Meta, right? Completely fell off a cliff, gone back to the beginning virtually. I don't know enough about this company. Why would it drop like that? We know why Meta went down. What was the reason R1 went down? How many shares of SoFi do you have? I'll come back to that in a second, Bill. Did you see YouTubers KSA and Logan Paul started a drink called Prime Hydration a few months ago and have already sold over 50 million bottles? RCM stock suffers record sell-off of more than 51% after rare profit miss. Physician customer missed payment. Physician customer missed payment. So basically, a customer didn't pay their bill. That's why they missed on earnings. Now, did that customer go bankrupt? Is that customer gone? Because if you look at their earnings, it's been stable. They missed. How much did they miss by? They were supposed to make 9 cents a share and they missed by 0.7. As you can see, that is rare for them. They're not growing though, but they are making money. So what this could be a Meta story. This could be this company doing well, stock price steadily rising, good. During this awful climate, going sideways, good. Then obviously a customer didn't pay their bill, so that put the company in all kinds of bother. That's what happened to my dad years ago. My dad went bankrupt because a customer didn't pay my dad. He couldn't pay his bills. He went bankrupt. So that's not good. Now, if they are not going to get that money ever, that company's gone bankrupt. They could go bankrupt. That is a problem if you have all your eggs in one basket and you have one giant customer. So we're going to keep it there. That's worth knowing, because if that gets solved and that debt gets paid back, this stock goes straight back up to $17 a share. $16, $17 a share. So there you go. That could be a buy. Mr. Clockwork. Was it Mr. Clockwork? Yeah, Mr. Clockwork. That could be a buy. That could be a buy. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy one share of that to mark that because that is interesting. When did this happen? When did this happen? Was this yesterday? Was this the earnings yesterday? There you go. I bought that. I'm going to, just as a market share, and I'm going to look into that. I'm going to try and find out if that company is about to pay its debts back. Anyway, there we go. See what happens. Overall portfolio is coming right back. Did you see YouTubers, or how many shares do I have on SoFi for Bill? I have 406 shares, and just as I expected, it's come right back. On November 7th, yet 2 days ago, look at SoFi come back. Look at that. And also, if we look at Tesla, come back, and let's look at Meta, all come back. So far, looking good. All my purchases looking very, very good. I've lowered my averages. I'm up. I've got more shares at lower prices. I like it. I'm green. I said I'd be green today. Let's say my little prediction of my little crystal ball was green. So let's see if I'm right, and let's see if I remain right. After hours earnings today of Rivian, that sharp drop at opening start to reverse. Yes. S&P. Virgin Galactic doesn't want to give up its $5 position anymore, does it? Virgin Orbit. Oh, there we go. Waiting for that to drop. The crystal ball never fails. Tesla. Let's hear it for the crystal ball. Oh, yeah. Rivian. If Rivian goes below 26, my all-time low, I'll buy it because it's never lost me money. Arrival. Amazon. Apple. Robinhood. McDonald's. Coca-Cola. J&J. Google. Tech stocks coming back. The tech stock rally at the moment. I predicted that. There we go. The crystal ball never fails. Martyn Lucas. I'm reading the whole comment. I can skip that out. Thank you for your quick and awesome review of RCM. You're very welcome, Mr. Clockwork. I've just bought some, and it kind of makes sense. I will look into that debt and see if it's likely to be repaid. I would imagine the stock will trend down until that's resolved. But then it'd be too late. Once that information gets out, that'll be it'd be too late. It'll go straight back up again. What we're looking for is some inside trading. If we can find that people at the company are buying their own shares because they know the debt's going to be paid off and so on, then this could pop up. So I can see how that could reverse very quickly. Anyway, we shall see what happens. I think RCM is a clean 2x if this gets resolved. Oh, easy 2x, isn't it? Oh, yeah, 2x. Double your money, yeah. Absolutely. In fact, what I will do, on that basis alone, November the 2nd, we were expecting a drop, a little bit there, November 13, 14, went up to 14, and then it went down there. Let's go 14, and let's go, it bounced on 1370. There you go. There you go. I'm going to set I'm going to sell it. Sell a limit order for, what did I say? 1370. Just for the hell of it. 1370 shares. How many have I got? 10. I'll sell 9. There you go. Good till cancelled. Allowed to execute during extended hours. There you go. I've got 123. Yeah, there we go. Now, I don't want to... I don't need another stock on my portfolio right now, but if I can make myself $70 for doing nothing, I'll do it. I'll take that. So there you go. 1370. Review the order. Now I can forget about it now. All right. If it goes back up and hits this low point here, which is a nice secure point, let's see what happens. Done. Order placed. 1370. There you go. I could forget about it now. There you go. I'm going to close that down. I'm done. I'm done. If it sells, it sells. It doesn't, it doesn't. Right. I think RCM is a clean 2x if this gets resolved. Yeah. I audit public companies in my new job, but can't share insider info if I want to keep my job and not go to prison. Yeah. Can you can you let us know? Is that going to get sorted out? Rob Brennan. What about a feather in your cap? What about a feather in your cap? What about that? What do you mean, Bill? What are you saying? Midterm elections, control of the US Senate. There he is. Church of Logic. Doesn't even come in and says hello. He just comes in with the news. I like it. He's a professional. See? Right, we got half an hour to go before I go to water aerobics, so we've got to be quick. Tropical storm nears Florida. Airport to suspend flights. Yeah, Stephen Lewandowski's right there. He says it's a grade 1, cat 1 at the moment, which is good, if there was ever a good thing. But anyway, the S&P is just dropping back again. Virgin Galactic is it on 5 now? Trying to push to 5. Virgin Orbit going back down exactly like I said it would. Answer to something you said earlier. 1 to 2 minutes. Oh, okay. I forget what I said, Bill. Tesla is down 0.73. I'm waiting to buy at 180. Rivian, we got earnings after hours tonight. Let's ask the question, who's joining me for after hours today? Start a poll. Whoops, is it? Whoops. I can't spell R. How do you spell R? Are you in for after hours Rivian? Whoops, Rivian earnings. Let's see who's going to join me tonight. It's already there on the homepage of the channel, or the closing bell will take you right there. Volvo reveals new 80,000 electric SUV with Luminar LiDAR. There's Volvo. Used to own a Volvo 240 GLE. Shares of True Social merger partner fall after Trump's candidates underwhelm in midterm elections. No surprise, DWAC, Truth Social, all that stuff. I say things that can be interesting. I say things that can be interesting unless information. I'm sorry, Bill. I don't understand what you're saying. Sorry, I am very busy, but stopped by to do my job. Bloody right. We got unpaid workers here. I stopped by to do my job. Russia hopes for Republican landslide to hurt Ukraine are vanishing fast. Russian hopes for a Republican landslide to hurt Ukraine are vanishing fast. Situation difficult along the front line. Kiev says Moscow weighs up support for Ukraine in midterms. Thank you for the information, Churchy. Okay, we're coming up to Day Trader of the Day. We've got to do that in a couple of minutes. Let's go through and review a few companies here. First of all, got 33 watching, not bad at all. If you've just tuned in, thank you ever so much. Subscribe and ring the bell and smash the like button would be fantastic if you wouldn't mind doing that. All right, I'll be right back after a 10-second break. Here we go. Maybe to get around the inside trading hurdle, I can be Roberto on this channel. Yeah, there you go. That sorts it all out. You've sussed it. You've sussed it. And there you go. Just be someone else. Virgin Galactic, $4.99. A nice little punch up this morning. I'm up in the money at the moment. Has everyone entered the cash giveaway this Friday? Trying to promote Virgin Galactic. I want to talk about it. I want to buy all the shares of Virgin Galactic with the song. Tesla went up and back down again. It's being scalp traded, being shorted. Rivian going down for tonight. Still up 9%. Check out Orbit and CCL, please. Vorb. Yes, wasn't I just there a second ago? There you go. Virgin Orbit. Like I said, Virgin Orbit would go back down again. Doesn't trust itself. Until it does that, I can't hold it. So there you go. Oh, hang on. Some breaking news. Tilray. Oh, look at that today. Very, very nice. Up 15.5% now. Tilray. Very, very nice indeed. Very, very nice indeed. Very, very happy with all this. It's going exactly to plan. Let's have a little look at the time. 1 hour 26. Let me make a couple of punchy videos to get out because I've got to go. We've got 1 hour 26. Whoops. 1 hour 26. TLRY. Tilray. Buying back at $2.98. Maryland legalized weed. That's why 20 states now are legal. Very, very. Is that the reason? Maryland legalized. Is that just happened? Church of Logic. I'm just about to make a video. Is that just happened? Give me that information. Maryland legalized weed. Just confirm to me what that's all about. That's why 20 states now are legal. Just confirm that to me, mate. And I want to put that out. Yes, voters approved it last night. Hey! All right. Good. Like it. All right, let's cover it. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Tilray Brands popped up. Look, 5% up this morning. Fantastic. Why is this? We just had some information coming in from one of our researchers. Maryland legalized weed. There it is on the screen. That's why 20 states are now legal. Yes, voters approved it last night. This has just come in, breaking news last night. Tilray Brands has popped up. And as we see on the screen, Hood has just dropped lower again. We know why that is, because of crypto, and I've just bought some more. I'll go back to that in a second. So if it's your very first time here, smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell. Let me know your price prediction for Tilray. I am holding it. I believe it's worth $40 a share. That's where I see it going when it gets full US approval. We know that's coming, and after last night, that's more likely sooner than later. This is great. I love it. Shall we go over to the main position? I'll share with you how many I have. There you go. I have 1,096 shares. It's 4.79 of my portfolio. I'm up 15%. I'm holding it up to $40. As it approaches 20 and 30, I will start trimming. That's a responsible thing to do. It shouldn't get too big as on my portfolio. Subscribe or ring the bell, and of course, smash the like button. And join us back later as we're live up to 10 hours a day here on the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. If you click up here, that will take you to my live shows, and you can be with us on a live show. That's it. Thank you very much indeed. Another great day for Tilray. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a quick thumbnail on that one there. Tilray. Okay, awesome stuff. We love it. What else is happening? What else is happening? Queen of self-braiding. How are you? Yeah. Yeah, breaking news from last night. Well, it's still important. What are you on about? What are you on about? Bloody hell. Still breaking news. You got to understand how people watch YouTube videos. They watch them for weeks. People will watch this video in months from now. Anyway. Very, very nice. What else is happening right now? We've got Meta. Oh, look at it go. Look at it go. This really upsets people when I talk about this because they go, oh, they don't want it to succeed. I don't know why. So let's add Meta to this as well. META. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor Meta. I've been saying now for a week that this is the best value stock to buy on the stock market. I look at it the same way as Warren Buffett. Companies that make money, companies that hold cash, companies that have history, that are beaten up on popularity contests. Nothing could be more oversold right now than Meta. I should actually be down 85%. And in fact, I am down about, if I go to the other screen, I'll show you where I am right now. I am down just 10% on Meta. Because I already had it. I was already a bag holder, but I kept doubling up, buying more and more. So your average doesn't come all the way down, of course. That's the way it works. But anyway, I'm very happy with Meta right now. Even if you don't like Facebook, and I don't. Even if you don't believe in the metaverse, and I don't until a couple of days ago, I actually believe in it more now than I did a couple of days ago. I've studied it more, and I can see a use case scenario for it. I'm not saying I'll ever use it. I don't know. Doesn't matter. All we need for this stock to go to $100 a share is for Meta to say they're spending less on the metaverse, and up goes the stock to $200 a share, or even scrap it altogether. Facebook makes money, Reels are up. There's a chance that TikTok could be banned in the US and then Reels will take over. I'm just saying. So I hold it on my portfolio. I would like your comments below. What do you think? Smash the like button. Leave a comment below. Am I wrong buying Meta? Is it the biggest disaster in the world, as some people think it is? Jim Cramer, 1 minute told everyone to buy it. Next minute is going, I was wrong. Meta haven't changed at all. Facebook haven't changed at all. Mark Zuckerberg hasn't changed at all. The only thing that's changed is the street decided that Mark Zuckerberg is an idiot and he's spending too much money being innovative. That's what the guy is. That's how Facebook came about. Why would he not be innovative? So it's not an investment to just back a horse that's on the way up. It's an investment to buy a stock that is on its knees when you know it's oversold and worth more. So there you go. Meta, what do you think? Leave your comments below. I'd love to get a debate going live in the chat below. Click up here and join us on a live show, and that'll take you to all our live events. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, quick ticker for that one. Yes. I might even put a Mark Zuckerberg picture in here somewhere. Yes! Okay, there we go. Did I get that? All right, so let's bring in the ticker again. Let me go over to my main portfolio now and see where we are. Are we up yet? We might still be down. Yeah, we're down 0.37. We're down 0.37 overall. We're still down. Never mind. Meta is on fire. What else have we got to talk about today? Microsoft, Google. Oh yes, Hood went to my all-time low, $9. Look at that. And it's popped back up as I bought it. It went in at... How many shares did I just buy then of Robinhood? Let's have a little look. Robinhood, I bought 22 shares. So let's have a little look. I bought 22 shares. There you go. Yeah, there you go. 22 shares at $9 a share. 22 shares at $9 a share. There you go. So I want to set a new order. Robinhood. There we go. It's going up now. My average now is down just 14%. Okay, so that's how many have I got? So buy Robinhood, a limit order, and I'll buy. I'm really going to get aggressive now. Really get aggressive, and I am going to go $8 a share. All the way down. Has it ever been $8 a share? 1 month, 3 months. That's the all-time low there. What's the all-time low? 1 year. It's never been. There you go. It's never been lower. Oh, yes, it has. 681. It's been 681, but it's making money now, so it's ridiculous. So I'm going to buy 20 shares, because that will be about right, at $8. Allowed to execute. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Review the order. At the price of $8, which is a huge drop. So another sort of 8-9%. Review the order. There we go. Put that into the forward and collect the dividend. Says Churchy. Right, there we go. Okay, that's placed. That's in the bag. And now we've managed to turn our portfolio very green. Oh my gosh. Okay. Here we go. Look at Meta go. Look at Meta, folks. Just saying, it's now. I'm now down 9%. Okay. Right, what's important, though, is the portfolio. That's what's important. The fact that we are up today. So, is this sensible? If TikTok is banned, we will be launching Loco TV. We will be launching Loco TV, BBIG. Is this sensible? Where is Zach these days? Oh, he's in. I'm getting $20 every quarter and getting 2 free shares a quarter. Better return than Hood. Yeah, but wait. Wasting your money on Hood, man, as a friend. I'm telling you, give it up. Put that into forward and collect dividend. Meta, my average is 86. Completely milling right now. Steezy G. High Coin, the TikTok. Is this sensible? Church of Logic. 177 Trump-backed candidates won. Only 9 didn't. Turn on CNN. There you go. Connie Anderson is still here. Welcome, Connie Anderson. Where is Zach these days? Is it? This is not a political channel, Connie Anderson. 8. $8.90. I'm green now. I'm up. We are green. We've got, we're up 0.04 overall. That's good. The S&P 500 is coming back up again, strong. Virgin Galactic, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No surprise there. We rank number 1 in the world for SPCE stock and Virgin Galactic search term on YouTube. And I'm very excited to see Virgin Galactic. So SPCE as well. All right, SPCE. Okay, let's get this. This is wonderful to see. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, Virgin Galactic. I'm excited about this because I rank number one. This channel ranks number one for SPC stock, Virgin Galactic stock search term. And I have a plan to buy every single share of Virgin Galactic. And with your help, it's not possible, but with your help, I can buy millions of shares of Virgin Galactic. Yes, and I will live in front of you, and I stand by that, and you have the power to make that happen. So first of all, smash the like button, and let's get into it. Subscribe, ring the bell if it's your very first time here. Virgin Galactic, it's my favorite stock. I love it. I love stocks that are innovative, that will change the world and make the world a better place, and also bring groundbreaking technologies. And Virgin Galactic is up today to $5.15. This is great. This is the Virgin Galactic SPCE space stock. And in fact, a couple of days ago, I bought myself a new iPhone in the colours of Virgin Galactic as well to celebrate that. I might share that with you on another video. But anyway, if you believe that Virgin Galactic, like me, is going to be $100 a stock in a couple of years' time, let me know in your comments below. But also, Virgin Galactic is very, very important. If you click up here, it'll take you to our promotional video. I am making a song as the world piano man in my studio. I'm going to record a song for Sir Richard Branson. He watches my channel. He has liked one of my comments on Twitter. I've worked for Sir Richard Branson before in the Virgin Experiences, so I know they take note of my channel. When I record the song, a Virgin Galactic song, it's going to be on my music channel, and the money I make from that video, I'm going to buy Virgin Galactic shares and hold it. And if I make millions of dollars from the video, I will spend millions of dollars on Virgin Galactic, and I will hold them. So there you go. So Virgin Galactic, if you want to be part of it, click up here for the whole Virgin Galactic playlist and get involved. You have the power to be with me with Virgin Galactic. I want to sing the song. I want to fly on the rocket. I'm going to Virgin Galactic Space Station next year as part of one of our main events. We're going to be there. We did Virgin Orbit a few weeks ago. And if you want to see me live at Virgin Orbit Space Station when the Virgin Orbit rocket or the Boeing landed, click up here and that will take you to that video of Virgin Orbit landing. So there you go. Let me know, what do you think? What do you think in about Virgin Galactic? Are you behind the stock? Do you believe in the stock, or is it all going to go to zero like a lot of people think? I know where the stock's going. I know it's a Richard Branson's legacy, and I know it's going to be successful. Leave your comments below. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a quick thumbnail on that one there. Okay. Let's have a look. Let's read these comments. Got a few funny comments I'm going to answer. Okay, let me read these comments. A few people challenging me, and that's fine. We don't mind that. Space going up because shorters are closing positions. Church of Logic. I have space. 15,000 shares of space. Nice one, Stephen. My space average is 8.6, but I bought way too many units over time. I get that. I bought it at $35 first of all. Fly high on my space. Check space. Check space. I just did, Queen. What do you mean by that? Richard Branson watches your channel. Come on, man. Richard Branson has liked on one of my tweets. That's what I said. You didn't listen. He said liked a tweet. Exactly. Mason Kirk. There we go. Everything here is 100% true, 100% verifiable. The moment I make up stories, this channel isn't worth anything. I know that. And this channel was based upon transparency, honest, go live in front of you, trade in front of you, buy and sell my shares in front of you. No one else I know on YouTube does that. 10 hours a day in front of you, shares everything with you. I'm always open to be questioned and challenged, and I'll always answer honestly with you. Richard Branson watches your channel. Come on, man. I don't know. There's no way I know if Richard Branson has ever watched my channel. He may have done. He may have done. I've no idea. But I know he's liked on a comment. And I know that Virgin Galactic have shared, Virgin Galactic and Virgin Orbit Twitter account have shared my posts. So that's the marketing team for Virgin Galactic and Virgin Orbit. Leveling Up says I'm delusional. Well, that's up to you. You can believe that if you want. I just want 20 to 100 at space. Virgin Galactic doesn't know you. Virgin Galactic do know me because they have shared, they have liked, and they have shared on my Virgin Orbit and my Virgin Galactic posts. So Virgin Galactic do know me. And how can they not know me? Because if you put Virgin Galactic search term and SPCE stock search term into YouTube as a search term, I rank number 1. How could they not know me? And I've worked for Sir Richard Branson on the Virgin experiences as well. So how could they not know me? The marketing team are all over what's being said about Virgin Galactic. So of course they know me. Quickly removed when you rewound it, didn't you? Quickly removed that when you rewound it. Quickly removed that when you rewound it, didn't you? 22, what does that mean? Is that to me or somebody else? Quickly removed that when you rewound it. What have I removed? What have I removed? Is DWAC crashing? I'll have a look at it in a second. No, because I didn't want to get it into it with people who don't listen. Mason Kirk. Richard Branson is too busy screwing up other businesses and fighting. Really? He's a human being like everybody else. I'm sure Richard Branson, like everybody else, sits on the toilet looking on YouTube, just like every other human being. Anyway, warning. You didn't listen. He said he only liked a comment. There you go. Please remain respectful. Please, we value all opinions are here, but I love that. Best team in the world, best members in the world here. Bill Gates and I are on first name basis because I bought. All right, here we go. Thank you, Ed. When you say you rank number 1 for Space Dock, how do you check? Okay, do you want me to share that with you? All right. Okay, I want to share that because people often ask that, and it's only right that I explain that, and I'm happy to do so. Happy to do so. Bear with me. I'll share with you. We're now at 5:18, by the way, on Virgin Galactic. Okay. Just bear with me. I've shared it on the screen before. I've showed you on the screen before. Okay. Today I'm number 2. Today I'm number 2. It goes up and down each day. Right, here we go. If you put SPCE stock incognito, so it doesn't know it's me, SPCE stock in YouTube, and then it tells you who ranks the highest for the search term. Top channels for this search term. There you go. I am number 2 today. Normally, I'm number 1. And the person who's number 1 has 26,000 subscribers. I'm number 2, normally number 1 with just 5,000 subscribers. Okay? So that is how I do it. And I check that every day. And I'm normally number 1. I've been number 1 nearly every day. And let's do another search term. And I normally rank number 1 for Virgin Galactic stock and Virgin Galactic as well. Give it a second to process. Not today, I'm not. Depends on who's searching and who's landing on channels. Give it a second. So anyway, I just shared with you Virgin Galactic stock and SPCE stock, okay? I'm not... Oh, there we go. There you go, look. All right, right now, look, I rank number 3 at the moment for Virgin Galactic. Now, obviously, Virgin Galactic are number 1. I've beaten Virgin Galactic on many occasions. It depends if I'm talking about it, if I'm making videos on about it, if I'm going live. Right now, I'm 3rd. Okay, but normally I'm number 1. So there you go. Does that explain it? I hope it does. Right, we've got to go. I've only got 10 minutes to go. It's day trader of the day. Your investments, please. Who's up the most? Who's down the most? Let's do it. Bill, let's have a look. When you say you rank number one, I looked and I went on any of the first. I looked and you weren't on any. Oh, did you look on YouTube or Google? I have said I ranked number one on the search term on YouTube, not on Google. On YouTube. Okay, the search term on YouTube, not on Google. Google, I don't rank very well at the moment. It's getting better, but it's YouTube. I think you said Sir Richard Branson watches, LOL. I don't know if Sir Richard Branson watches. How do I possibly know that? He was talking to me. Yes, Mason Kirk. Martyn Lucas, investor, I appreciate you trying to explain things to leveling up, but if someone says that still has their doubts on space, please let them be. You're right. You're right. That's a very good point, Steezy G. You're absolutely right. I try to answer every question and give clarity, but you're right. I'm going to record a song for Sir Richard Branson. He watches my channel. I'll wait. Rewind it. Mason Kirk. I'm going to record a song for Sir Richard Branson. He watches my channel. I'll wait. 22. Looks like 22's trying to challenge me. That's fine. That's fine. He clearly misspoke and spent the next seconds fixing his words. Yes. But there you have been here for 3 weeks. Good on you, mate. Just checking you were using. Yes, incognito. Absolutely. You don't to prove yourself. I like to answer questions. Just reading all the comments. Did you buy Lucid? Yes, I did. I did buy Lucid at $12. It's down very, very well. It is down 11.5. I've got a buy at 11. Yes, I did. Russia to withdraw troops from key city Kherson, the only regional centre they have since the invasion began. That sounds good. Right, we've got going to check those prison stocks. Right, we've got to go. I've got 8 minutes to go. Let's do the day trader of the day. So let's get everyone's positions in right after this quick 10-second commercial break to bring everybody up to date. Are you ready? Right, here we go. Skip the ad, come right back, and we'll find out who wins today. Here we go. Okay, go to your main position. Let's have a look. Are you up? Are you down? Here we go. I am up 0.25 at the moment. So up 0.28%. Let's get a minute on the clock. I've got 7 minutes to go before I've got to get out of here. So hopefully everybody will post. Here's my score. Here we go. So, here we go. I am up 0.28. Stephen Lewandowski is down 2.5. Mike is up 0.36. I think Portland Trailblazers is up 3.6. Who else have we got? So it looks like Portland Trailblazers is win. I'm so happy about my meta that me too. 0.2. Mr. Clockwork. Looks like the winner so far is Portland Trailblazer. Let me have a quick look at my meta as well. See where that's going right now. We've got 5 minutes to go before we end the show. Oh, I'm just down 0.13. Looks like Portland Trailblazer is our winner so far. Oh, I didn't do the timer. I apologise. There we go. Sorry about that. Let's have a quick look. Meta is up 7.69. Virgin Galactic is up 2.3. Down 0.28. Okay, I'm going to end the timer. I did start it too late. So anyway, let's give the prize to Portland Trailblazer today, who absolutely owns it today. Congratulations. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. CPI rate tomorrow. CPI rate up or down? What do you reckon? CPI, Consumer Price Index, has prices come down? Are we at the edge of the bottom? What do you think? There we go. So, and let's give Portland the sound effects as well. There you go. Nice one. Very good indeed, Portland Trailblazer. Congratulations indeed. Yeah, look at that. Fantastic. Really good result. Up 1.05, says Bill. Very nice, Bill. Okay, we're just down very slightly. What's bringing my portfolio down? The S&P is recovering. Virgin Galactic is doing all right. Virgin Orbit is bouncing around. Tesla has recovered a bit. Rivian is down. EV stocks are down. Lucid is down. I bought some more last night. I'm not buying any more. Arrival has popped up today. I'm still down 34%. Got a long, long way to go. Amazon is recovering. Apple is still going down. Robinhood has recovered since I bought at 9. I've got another 850. McDonald's is up 0.15. Coca-Cola is down slightly. J&J is up 0.32. Very nice. Google is up. Microsoft is pushing up from a low this morning. Meta is up 7.5%. Let's have a look over the week now where Meta has gone. Meta has gone up 14% in a week. Look at that. That's nothing too shabby, right? Over the month, it's down 22% because it's recovered, and I'm down just 10% now. If we go back over 3 months, down 38%. Over the year, it's down 69%. So the fact I'm down 10%, I regard that as a huge win. It's the rate of increase. Prices won't come down. They are looking for a slower increase. Indeed. Sorry, that's what I meant. But we'll find out tomorrow on the show. It'll be in the opening bell. We are back with a closing bell this afternoon. Then, of course, we got Rivian after hours this afternoon. Ian Jackson was down 1.06, but we've just finished the show. I just need someone now to close up the show and say to me, roll those credits. How many people did we get through the show today? Let's have a quick look. We're going down a little bit at the moment. Let's have a look where we are. Did we get... Oops, a daisy. Let's bring this screen in here. Trailblazers. Oops, hang on a minute. Got lots of comments flying around the place. There we go. Let me get rid of that one. Okay. So, roll them bloody credits. Roll them. Right, let's have a look. Did we get anybody new from the show today? 5,262. We gained 5 subscribers. That's nice. How many came through the show today? Bitcoin is still ranking right at the top. Look at that. Remember I said to you yesterday, everyone's concerned about Bitcoin crashing. A video I made 2 months ago about Bitcoin. Look, see it right on the top. Bitcoin crash. Bitcoin crash. It's number 2 now, ranking in my videos, which is absolutely incredible that people are turning to me for crypto information. Quite funny, really. But anyway, 115 through the show today. Very quiet day today, but never mind. Let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here, and we are all good. All right, let's bring in the portfolio, and let's roll those credits. It's Bentley time. Bill's taking the dog for a walk. I'm going to roll the credits. We're going to play some music and we're going to get out of here. I'm going water aerobics in 1 minute from now. Thank you very much indeed for joining me. I'll look forward to seeing you all back this afternoon. Thank you ever so much, everybody who followed me on TikTok today. Back for the closing bell and then Rivian after hours tonight. Very, very nice indeed. Who took part in today's show? Who was the star of the show? Subscribers: Scott Clearcreek, Chris King, and Ting Bro. These are the only public subscribers. If you are hidden, if you hide your subscriptions, it won't show it, but there you go. We didn't get any super chats. We didn't get any new members on Twitch. Remember, if you subscribe on Twitch for free using Amazon Prime, you'll be in the free prize draw every first Friday of the month, and we have a cash draw every Friday here on YouTube as well. There you go. That's it. I'll see you all back later on for the closing bell. Let me end the poll. How many people are coming? About half of you. So it looks like 14 of you will join me in the after hours for Rivian. Thanks for taking part in today's draw. Much luck to you guys. Have a good one. Good luck, Stephen Lewandowski. Stephen Lewandowski is in the forefront of the Cat 1 tornado, hurricane, whatever it is today. I want to wish him the very best, and we'll all be thinking of you and hope you'll be okay. Category 1, you should be okay, but you never know. Anything can happen. That's it from me. Thank you ever so much indeed. Have a wonderful day. Thanks to everybody, and I'll see you back. And I promise I'm not going to jump in the pool with my phone in my pocket. I've made that mistake already, and I don't intend doing it again. See you all back later on for the closing bell. Have a wonderful day. And thanks, Martyn. I will be okay. I sincerely hope so. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other.